another one. You need to remove 3 sticks again to make a 5 boxes.
5 bucks? 3?
Yeah.
3... 5 bucks na to, letter. Diba? Yeah. Removes 3 sticks or move.
Remove.
Remove. Hold up, is it even? 1, 2... 6, 7. It's not possible. One, 2,
Remove.
3.
Now this time remove.
Para makabuo ng 5 box.
Yes.
That's 3. 5 box. 1. Oh, wait a minute. Tatlo. So this part. 1, 2. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 1. It's already 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it?
Remove. You just replay, ginalaw mo lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang tawag doon? You
just
just move, not remove.
tatanggalin.
Yeah, you should
Like
tanggal
this.
talaga. Oo, like that.
Man. Then, wala akong edit. Kailangan talaga maging box. Tatlo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It looks like block that. Meow. Meow. 1, 3. Madali daw. This is not easy.
It's easy.
I'm too stupid for this. What? 1, 2, 3. Put it back. I'm gonna do randomly. 1, 2, 3. If you keep moving it, 2, 3. There's a paper there, you know? Yeah. It's different. Oh. 1, 2. Jesus! I don't know. Ako sirit na. Ayan. My back hurts. 1, 2, 2. It's because of this thing. 1, 2. Boxes.
Yeah. Because they have to be connected. I don't know. I'm done. Yeah.
Ayun, may box na sa gitna po.
How?
I don't see a box.
You almost got it. Pero, tama yung tinanggal mo. Pero, explain it why 5 boxes yan.
Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's not in the middle.
Not in the middle. Kasi siguro
Yeah.
sila
It's another box yung itong buong,
box.
it's equal parts, equal size.